What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to dropship properly in Q4. I'll be going over 3 tips that will help you absolutely crush it and be better prepared for the next 3 months. As most of you know, Q4 or quarter 4 of the year is the last 3 months of the year, October, November, and December. And during these 3 months, pretty much everybody is buying things online. If dropshippers had a game time or their time to shine or their big fight, now would be that time. Everything that we've prepared for, everything that we've learned over the past year, we apply in Q4 and absolutely scale up our stores and make tons of money. At least that's what we do when we subscribe to Brandon Perry on YouTube. No, but for real, all jokes aside, that store right there was actually done purely in Q4 from November 1st to the end of November. In 3 weeks, it generated $240,000 in sales, which is just absolutely ludicrous. It's insane that someone's able to pull that off, especially someone like myself was able to pull that off in my first year dropshipping on Facebook ads. So this is the real deal, and you're hearing it from someone that just did that. Okay, 3 tips. Let's go. Tip number 1. Look at the billionaire companies. You need to realize that Q4 isn't really about the dropshippers. Like, yes, this is our time to shine, but guess what? The mega billionaire companies out there, like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, like all these heavy hitters, this is real game time for them. Over the past year, decades even, they've been collecting tons of data on buyer behavior, exactly what people buy and don't buy on Black Friday and just this time of season, this time of year. They know exactly what people are going to be buying and not buying. And guess what? We can use that same data. If you go to Amazon's homepage, yeah, it's going to show you some recommended things, but guess what? They have a holiday purchase guide tab. And if you click on that, it's just an endless list of gift ideas, like hopeful gift ideas for you this holiday season. But in reality, for us dropshippers, it's product ideas. Product ideas that have been proven to sell during the holidays that we can actually use for our own stores and for our own good. Like literally today in the mail, this just arrived. It's a little booklet from Amazon with over 600 toys and gifts for the holiday season. Now for us dropshippers, this is gold, absolute gold. Amazon knows exactly what kids are gonna want under their tree, and guess what? It's in this book. So look to the big billionaire, trillionaire companies and see what they are marketing, because chances are those are going to be winning products and they're probably going to sell out this holiday season. Tip number 2, you need to think to yourself, who gets the most presents under the Christmas tree? Think back to past Christmases. Hopefully you had Christmases with presents under a tree. If not, I'm so sorry. DM me, I'll send you a gift. I'll send you your very own Christmas present from yours truly. But think about it. Out of your entire family, you have the adults, young adults, the teenagers, and the kids. Who gets the most gifts? The kids. Every time. Like, if you think about my Christmas, I'll get the gifts that I asked for, just a few things that I really wanted, and the kids, like my nephews, they get probably 100 presents each. It's insane, divided between all of their families and their grandparents, uncles and aunts and brothers and sisters. They get tons of presents. Well, guess what? Those presents didn't just appear out of nowhere. They were all purchased. So when you're looking for products to be selling in Q4, or if you have a product that you can apply to Q4 now, think about marketing it to the parents that need presents for their children. And what will make a parent purchase? They need to feel the excitement that their child will feel when they see that present. Okay, tip number 3. When you're looking for a product for Q4, a great seller, and this isn't necessarily a niche, but a great product that sells is something that's customizable. Going back to the feelings, like the gifters feelings, it feels really cool when you give someone something that was customized, because it feels more heartfelt, more personal. It feels like you put more work into the present. So when looking for products, look for something that can be giftable and customizable, because that makes the gift giver feel good, because everyone else in the family is going to be like, wow, what a thoughtful gift. Oh my gosh, great idea. Where'd you get that? And they'll be able to respond and say, oh, from a TikTok ad, oh, from a Facebook ad, and that'll be your ad, your store, because you found something that was a genuinely good gift, customizable for that person to purchase. Here we go. For those of you still here, we get a bonus tip. A great place to find dropshipping products for Q4, especially things that are customizable, are actually on Etsy. Yeah, if you didn't know it, you can actually get dropshipping products and dropship from Etsy rather than going to AliExpress or USA Drop, Zen Drop, all these other companies, CJ Dropshipping. You can actually just go to Etsy, find a product that's just amazing, reach out to the seller, the store, reach out to them and explain how you're a dropshipper, you plan on selling hundreds or thousands of these over the next 2 months. Can you supply that for me? Since I'm going to be ordering so many, how cheap of a price can you go? Because it's almost going to be like a wholesale type deal. It will feel a little bit like that since you're going to be telling them that you're going to be ordering like hundreds or thousands of them over the next few weeks. That will get them excited and a little more eager to maybe drop their price, especially as they see orders come in. So go onto Etsy, find a product that's dope, contact the supplier and tell them like, hey, I'm going to be drop shipping this. What price can you do for me? And boom, now you have a really unique customizable product that nobody else in the dropshipping game is going to be doing because nobody dropships off of Etsy. And that was it, guys. Those are my 3 tips to better prepare you for Q4 and this crazy holiday season. Make sure your shipping times are in check. It's so crucial if your product arrives after Christmas Day. Oh gosh, just saying that out loud reminds me of so many hurtful memories. Make sure your shipping is quick, okay? And if it's not quick enough to get there before Christmas Day, turn off the ad. Because if you don't and it arrives late, you're gonna get negative customer feedback, chargebacks, disputes, etc. Love you guys so much. Remember that if you want to be entered to win this iMac right here, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Just comment below once it's done. Comment any questions. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. Join the VIP section in the Discord and DM me on Instagram about my one-on-one mentorship and how we can actually go in on a store together this Q4. Love you guys. See ya.